Hi folks, Richard Fontana here. Thank you for checking out my product review. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coach to help build your online income for up to $10,000 a month. Now, if you're interested, please check out the first link in the description below. Now, when you grab the product from the second link in the description, I'll give you 4 exceptional bonuses that I've been able to snag from Fergal Downs. Bonus number 1 shows you how to supercharge your online empire so that you can use free traffic to make money online. This allows you to achieve your online income goals both quickly and easily. Bonus number 2. Now, bonus number 2 is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. And when you get an order, for an instance, for a high value gig, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and then you deliver that to your buyer. And you pocket the difference in the process. Bonus number 3. You will learn how to create a passive income. And this is important. It's not just an ordinary passive income. It is a reoccurring passive income with ease. And finally, bonus number 4. Bonus number 4 will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It will show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes daily to run the whole entire system. Now, you receive a done-for-you product, a high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. Now let's get back to the review. This review is about a gigantic 300 drone footage videos with PLR rights, promoted by my first mentor, Trevor Carr. Now you can count on Trevor as an upright individual, a person who is full of integrity. You can turn this collection of videos into your own products and sell them for huge profits, or give them away as bonuses. After all, they are PLR bonuses. What a way to explode your affiliate commissions. Now listen to Trevor as he explains what drone is all about.
Did you know that videos can boost your conversions up to 80%? And did you know that online shoppers are more likely to buy a product after watching a video? A business is 53 times more likely to appear on the first page of Google when using video on the website landing page. Video is everywhere. People love videos, and if you're not using videos to promote your business right now, you're losing money. Did you know that YouTube is the second biggest search engine in the world, and every day over 3.7 million videos are uploaded? You see, humans love videos. So it's time to start creating beautiful videos for your sales pages, your YouTube channels, your landing pages, for your clients, for promoting your business. There's many ways you can use videos, and this drone footage PLR will help you to create beautiful, captivating videos that people will stop to watch, click on your links, or buy your products. But creating beautiful videos for your own projects or client projects is not an easy task. Unless you're a professional videographer and editor with a very expensive state-of-the-art drone, how could you even dream of making videos like we have for you here? Well, you don't have to know a thing about it. You don't need any skills, you don't need any experience, and you don't need any expensive equipment. Immediately, you can enhance your videos instantly, making them beautiful, compelling, and captivating. A huge collection of 300 drone footage videos videos that you can use in your own projects or sell for huge profits and keep every penny you make. Say hello to Drone Footage Videos PLR Pack. Here's what you get with this amazing pack: 300 drone footage videos with PLR rights. Use them in your own projects, client projects, or just sell for profits. This pack comes with PLR rights, so the choice is yours. PLR means private label rights. That means that you can do whatever you want with it. Enhance your videos or client videos with stunning 4K drone footage that you won't see anywhere else. There's multiple videos from beaches, buildings, cities, nature, mountains, and much more, all professionally filmed by drones and can be used in many ways. Make beautiful videos in seconds. PLR rights included. Use the videos for projects, sell them, or do anything else you want and keep all the money. 30 days money back guarantee included, so there's no risk. This is a pack you won't see anywhere else, and that will allow you to create beautiful videos or start a new revenue stream by selling those done for you videos to others. You'd be amazed how much these can sell for. $48, $202, $199 for one video, and you have 300. So this is a 100% no-brainer. And if you pick it up today, I'll throw in my pimper training to teach you how to pimp PLR just like I did when I started out. I took one piece of PLR that cost me $5, pimped it and pulled in over 8,000. I've now gone on to do well over $2 million, which is why PLR has a very special place in my heart. So are you ready to make a change? Right now you can pick up all 300 of these stunning videos for the price of a pizza and keep every penny you make. Think about this. You can leave this page now empty-handed and go back to whatever your life is for you at the moment, or you can invest just a few dollars in an asset that's proven to make money, not just one asset though, but 300 of them. As an example, if you sold each one just once for the price you paid for the whole lot here today, you'd make $3,885. Or perhaps you'd go for selling all 300 as a bundle and charge just $26. You'd double your money with the first sale. Do you see the power of this? It's not rocket science. Let's say you decided to break this collection up into 3 bundles of 100 videos each and charge just $47 per bundle. If you sold just one bundle per day, you'd be making $329 every day. If you sold the whole bundle for $97 and sold on average just 1.5 bundles per day, you'd be making $53,107.50 per year. There are endless opportunities to make a small fortune with this offer, and right now it's so cheap we're almost giving it away. Hey, it's Trevor here. Look, there's no denying, and you probably already know this, that if you want to make money, you're going to make more money if you're the product owner, if you're the creator, the vendor, because then everyone that buys, you get the money. Unfortunately, becoming a product creator is not always that easy, and for a lot of us, it's something that's just out of reach. Being able to create digital products that have got intrinsic value that will sell is not a simple task, which is why this package, the drone footage videos package with PLR, is so appealing, because instantly you could become a vendor. Instantly you've got your own product. After all this time, you've probably been thinking, oh, if I only had my own products that I could sell, but what could I possibly create? Well, we've got it for you here with a click of a button. Instant access to 300 high quality drone footage videos with PLR, which means you can do whatever you want with them, but you get to keep all the money. Now, my business pretty much started with one piece of PLR that cost me $5. I took that piece of PLR, I pimped it, and I launched it, and I pulled in over $8,000. I then created a course called Pimper that taught how I did that, and that course did over $35,000 and still sells to this day. So you can see that PLR is very powerful. What it means is that you can repackage, rename, rebrand, do what you like with this package, and you can bundle it up. So for example, you could sell every single video individually, you could sell them in bundles of 10, you could bundle them up into bundles of 100 each, and there's some examples in this video and on this page of how much money that can bring in. And I'm sure you can see that this is a no-brainer, because we're almost giving this away for free. For the amount of money that you have to pay just to get this, it's ridiculous. To get all 300 videos for such a low price is a complete and utter no-brainer. So if you're sick and tired of trying everything, nothing works, you can't make any money online, do yourself a favour. Grab this now. Grab this now, and you've instantly got a whole collection of your own products ready to sell and keep all the money. Go ahead, click on the buy button now, and we'll see you on the inside. All the best. Lock in this crazy discount now. Click on the buy button now for instant access.